Finding the length of bow in a perpendicular triangle. In this lesson, we'll solve a geometry problem involving a circle and a right-angled triangle, and find the length of line bow using the Pythagorean theorem. We draw circle O with radius 6, place pointer on the circle, then we draw the perpendicular line of, and finally, connect point B to the center O with line bow, which we need to find. Since triangle ABO is a right-angled triangle, we can apply the Pythagorean theorem. BO equals AO squared plus AB. Substitute the known values. BO equals 6 plus 8 squared. Simplify the equation. BO squared equals 36 plus 64. BO equals 100. Take the square root of both sides. BO equals 10. Thanks for following along. By applying the Pythagorean theorem, we have successfully determined the length of bow.